In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Google Cloud Project ID. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look in the Google Cloud Console and what you're seeing when you find it, so you can use the right identifier in tools, scripts, and API calls. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Google Cloud Console at console.cloud.google.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in with your Google account that has access to your cloud projects. Once the console loads, give it a second to finish initializing. The dashboard can take a moment, especially on the first load. Next, open the main navigation. Look for the three horizontal lines at the very top left of the console, often called the hamburger menu. Click that to reveal the full list of Google Cloud services and administrative sections. This menu is your gateway to everything in the console, and we'll use it to get to the exact page that lists your project identifiers. From that navigation panel, select IAM and Admin. This section is where you manage access, roles, and organization level controls. It also provides a direct route to your resource inventory, which includes your projects. Even though the name focuses on identity and access, it's the right place to find project details. Inside IAM and Admin, click Manage Resources. This opens the Resource Manager view for your account or organization. Here you'll see a table listing your projects, and depending on your setup, you may also see folders or an organization node. This page centralizes basic project metadata in one place. On this page, look for the column or tab labeled ID. That value is your project ID. It's different from the project name, which is purely a display label you can change, and it's different from the project number, which is a numeric identifier used behind the scenes. The project ID is a unique, human-readable identifier, usually lowercase with hyphens, that does not change once the project is created. Many services, API calls, and command line operations require this exact ID, so make sure you copy it accurately. If you manage multiple projects with similar names, double-check the ID against the project you intend to use to avoid deploying resources to the wrong environment. A quick tip as you work: if you don't immediately see the ID, adjust the visible columns or widen the table area so the ID column isn't truncated. Also, if your organization has many entries, ensure you're viewing the correct folder or scope so the intended project is visible. That's it. You've navigated to the console, opened the main menu, gone to IAM and Admin, entered Manage Resources, and located the project ID with confidence.